Ito yung dahilan kung bakit multi-use itong face wash ng Skindo. Number one, you can use it like a normal everyday cleanser. So, kuha ka ng product, lather, make it like bubble up in your hands, and then, tsaka mo siya ilagay, wash your face for 30 seconds to a minute, and then cleanse. Number two, pwede mo rin siyang gamiting makeup remover. I've done this before dahil parang tinamad na akong mag-makeup remover. Ginawa ko lang, I washed the first round ng washing ko, ginamit ko lang to, and it removed my makeup. But then I went again for another wash just to make sure na walang matitira na residue ng makeup, no? And it really did a good job at removing all my makeup. Maybe not the mascara. Maybe you need like makeup remover or oil for mascara. Pero for foundation, for everything else, kaya niyang tanggalin. Number three, mild exfoliation. So this one, if you get this size you have this. Ito talaga yung favorite ko. Ang sarap-sarap nito sa face. It's like a silicone brush scrub. So yan, dyan lumalabas yung product. And this one, yung ganitong klaseng brush, hindi siya nag-accumulate ng dirt. As long as just rinse it off and okay siya. Parang may antibacterial properties siya. Properties? I use this on the days that I feel parang, may build up, lalo na dito around my nose, parang may slight build up ng dead skin. Dadaanan ko siya with this. Like, I really enjoy the process. Like, a circular motion, ganyan. Kinukuskus ko yung mga yan, yung mga kasingit-singitan dito. Diyan ako madalas nagkakaroon ng mga kind of rough patches. So, yung mga 1 minute din akong nag-scrub ng ganyan. And then I rinse it off. And my face feels super clean. But at the same time, hydrated, hindi pa rin niya yung natutuyo yung balat ko. So, I love this because, yun nga, it's multi-use. This is all I use now. I'm trying to really narrow down yung lahat ng gamit ko, pati damit ko actually, to the bare basics, the ones that I really need. Ganda. Maganda to.